Hello viewers, today we'll be treating addition slash subtraction of fractions of what? SURDS. Okay, without wasting of our time, let us attend this question. 4 over root 8 plus 3. Okay, now you can see that the first one is a fraction, and the second one is not a fraction, so we'll make it a fraction by putting over 1. And I have always told us that whenever you see minus or plus in between two fractions, what should come into your mind is what? To find LCM of the denominators. Okay, and here the LCM of the denominator is root 8, because 1 is still 1. Anything times 1 is that thing. So it's what? Root 8. Okay, so what we'll do, we use the LCM to divide. We'll use the LCM to divide what? The denominator. Whatever we get, we'll use it to multiply the numerator. So root 8 divided by root 8 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, again, plus root 8 divided by 1 is root 8. Root 8 times 3 is 3 root 8. Okay, so don't think that you have gotten your answer finally. Okay, because the expression still contains, okay, root, okay, an unsimplified root, which is root 8, and then it still contains, the denominator of the expression contains a root, okay, which we don't which we will not allow that. Okay, so it has not ended. So what we'll do, we'll simplify root 8. Okay, so simplifying root 8, if this is root 8 and we are simplifying it, it will be root 4 times root 2. Root 4 times root 2 will give you root 8. Then what about root 4? Root 4 will be root 2 times what? Root 2 times this root 2. Okay, and then we know that root 2 times root 2 is what? Root 2 times root 2 is what? 2 times this root 2. So that 2 times root 2 is what? 2 root 2. So our 8, root 8 is what? 2 root 2. So anywhere we see root 8, this is the simple term of it. Okay, this is the simplest form of what? Root 8. So we are going to substitute it into what? This expression. So anywhere we see root 8, we are going to say 2 root 2. So 4 plus what? 3 times 2 root 2 all over root 8 here is what? 2 root 2. Okay, so let us multiply. So we still have 4 plus 3 times 2 root 2 is what? 6 root 2. Okay, all over 2 root 2. Okay, now what we have here is 4 plus 6 root 2 all over 2 root 2. So you can see that the denominator is still with root, and we cannot allow that. Okay, so what we'll do next is to rationalize. Okay, that is using the denominator to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So we'll multiply the numerator, which is what? 2 root 2 over what? 2 root 2. We use the denominator, which is 2 root 2, to multiply the numerator and also the denominator. Okay, so let's multiply. So we have 4 times 2 root 2. Okay, 4 times 2 root 2, which is what? 8 root 2. Okay, then again, plus 6 root 2 times 2 root 2. Okay, will be 6 times 2, which is 12, and root 2 times root 2 is 2. So it will be 2 times 12, which is 24. Okay. Then all over here, 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So it will be 4 times 2, which is what? 8. Okay. So we have this. Alright. So at this point, we also have that in between 8 and 24 there's a factor. Between 8 and 24 there's a factor, and then the factor is what? 3. So we can say, sorry, the factor can be 8. Okay, 8. So if 8 is a factor, then we say 8 times root 2 will give you 8 root 2, and then 8 times 3 will give you what? Will give us what? 24 all over 8. Are you getting it now? So that our 8 here will divide 8 to be 1, so that our answer, okay, is going to be root 2 plus 3. Okay, that's the answer. Are you getting it?